Hey, plant pals, Mike the Kid Gardener, and this is in look at my lipstick sweet pepper. It was I was gifted the seeds from T-Nog, the New Orleans gardener, and you can see I started it on 12/7/22. It's now 1/3/22, and this is the growth I have. This one here, I was giving it time because sometimes it can take like 20 days or so for pepper seeds to germinate. It looked like there was a little bit of growth in there that it kind of petered out and died, but that's what happens. It's not a big deal. I'll just plant some more seeds. But I did get one beautiful plant, and I'm trying to protect it from the stinky aphids that have been plaguing my indoor grow, which is my fault because I brought in a pepper plant to overwinter. Now, if I had never done that, and I had never bought the poinsettia from the grocery store, I would probably have never had any kind of pest inside. Like the excuse me, the spider mites were real simple to deal with. I just put some alcohol on the light that they like to hang out on, and that was the end of them. So, yeah, hopefully I can keep this going without the aphids attacking it. I did treat this with the peppermint oil and the tea tree oil and the little bit of soap and a little bit of, I think I put a few drops of neem oil in there just to give it every opportunity to grow up and grow me peppers. All right. So that is my hashtag WIG 2022, my winter indoor grow 2022, the red lipstick pepper. All right. Any comments, questions, leave the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.